Philosophy begins in a strange place, not with answers, but with questions that refuse to settle. Yet the first mistake many beginners make is assuming that all philosophical problems are the same kind of thing. They are not. At first glance, philosophical problems seem like ordinary intellectual puzzles, just more difficult versions of scientific questions. Science asks, what causes X? What mechanism explains Y? What law governs Z? But philosophy behaves differently. Its questions often do not admit of experimental resolution, not because they are vague, but because they concern the conditions under which anything counts as an answer at all. A crucial distinction: some questions are about the world, others are about how we talk about the world. First order questions: what is the speed of light? What causes disease? How does gravity work? Second order questions: what is cause? What is explanation? What is truth? Philosophy often operates at this second level. It does not investigate reality. It investigates the frameworks through which reality becomes intelligible. Many philosophical problems arise when language stops behaving transparently. Take a simple word like exists. Numbers exist, the universe exists, unicorns do not exist. The same word behaves differently depending on context, and suddenly we are unsure what question we are even asking. A philosophical problem often begins when language detaches from its ordinary use. We extract a concept from its natural environment, then ask it to function in isolation, and in that isolation, meaning begins to break down. Consider one of philosophy's oldest questions: what is knowledge? At first it seems straightforward, but when we try to define it precisely, complications emerge. Is knowledge justified true belief, reliable belief, something else entirely? Each answer generates counterexamples. Each refinement generates new problems. The problem does not resolve, it multiplies. Philosophy, then, is not empirical science, it is conceptual analysis. It examines how concepts function within our linguistic practices. It asks, how is this word used? What role does it play? What confusions arise when we misuse it? If philosophy clarifies concepts, why do problems persist? Because human language is flexible, and philosophical temptation is constant, we are always prone to re-abstracting what was clarified. Philosophy does not typically end with final solutions. It ends with better understanding of why the question arose. Sometimes the solution is seeing that the problem was malformed, or resting on hidden assumptions, or misusing language outside its normal function. Philosophical problems are not puzzles waiting for answers in the same way scientific problems are. They are tensions in our concepts, confusions in our language, and distortions in our thinking. To begin philosophy is not to collect answers, it is to learn what kind of questions can be meaningfully asked.